How to connect Spaceship domain to Hostinger hosting. Open up Spaceship, sign into your account, click on all products, and then select domains here. Once you click on domains, from the right hand side you will be able to see the domain manager, so just select the domain manager, and here you will find your domain. Now you want to copy your domain name here, so I'm just going to copy it. And once you click on it, you will see all of these options, and I will go into Hostinger, click on websites. And right here, you want to find the website which you want to add the domain to. So I'm going to click on the three dots, and then you will see add domain, and you want to paste the domain name. Once you paste the domain name here, I'm just going to give it some time. Do you own this domain? Use it. We will click on that and select next. This domain will be added, and we will need to set up some records here in order to use it. Okay, so on Hostinger here you want to click on domains and then your domain portfolio. If you scroll down, you should see your website which we just connected. I mean the domain which we just connected from Spaceship. Now you want to click on manage DNS and then select check guide. From here you will see this, and all we need to do is to go back into Spaceship, and right here, sorry, my phone was ringing. So right here, once we are on Spaceship, we will go into name servers in DNS, and you want to click on change here for the Spaceship name servers. Select custom name servers, go back into Hostinger, copy this first one, paste it. Now go back into Hostinger and copy the second one as well. We want to paste it, and then you will click on save name server settings. Once you have done this, this is gonna connect your Spaceship domain to Hostinger hosting. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.